Here's a new 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Equal parts suave and stout, this multitasking Silverado is a powerful personality. Features include Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated leather split bench seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, Ecotec 3 engine, active grille shutters, Rancho shocks, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Chevy, 100 years of icons. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.